How impartial can a jury truly be in high-profile cases? This question often surfaces, especially when the accused is a figure of significant public interest. Today we delve into the intricacies surrounding one such case, Donald Trump's criminal trial. In a society where every individual has access to a wealth of information at their fingertips, the challenge of finding an impartial jury is steeper than ever, particularly when the person standing trial is a former president of the United States. The task becomes even more daunting. Donald Trump, the 45th president of the United States, is facing a criminal trial. Although the allegations against him are serious, the specifics of the charges are not the focus of our discussion today. Instead, we turn our attention to the hurdles that the justice system faces in finding an impartial jury for his trial. The concept of a trial by jury has been a cornerstone of the American justice system since its inception. It hinges on the assumption that a group of ordinary citizens, devoid of any bias or prejudice, can fairly judge the guilt or innocence of the accused. However, in high-profile cases such as this, the impartiality of the jury often comes under scrutiny. In the era of digital media, where information and opinions are shared at lightning speed, it is almost impossible for potential jurors to remain uninformed about high-profile cases. This overwhelming exposure can inadvertently shape their perception and bias their judgment even before the trial begins. Moreover, Donald Trump is not just any high-profile figure. As a former president, he has been at the center of public attention for years. His actions, statements, and policies have been dissected on every news platform, making him a polarizing figure with staunch supporters and fervent critics. This polarization complicates the process of selecting an impartial jury, as potential jurors may already hold strong opinions about him. The challenge of finding an impartial jury in such cases is not new. History has seen numerous high-profile trials where the impartiality of the jury was questioned. However, the advent of digital media has amplified this challenge, making it a topic of intense debate. In summary, the task of finding an impartial jury for Donald Trump's criminal trial underlines the challenges that the justice system faces in an age of information overload and extreme polarization. It raises questions about the viability of the jury system in high-profile cases and demands a reevaluation of the measures in place to ensure the impartiality of jurors. It is a complex issue with no easy solutions, but it is a discussion that needs to be had for the sake of justice, fairness, and the integrity of our legal system. After all, at the end of the day, the scales of justice should balance on the truth and nothing but the truth. Thank you for joining us today as we explored this fascinating and timely topic. Stay tuned for more insightful discussions.